Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable touch keyboard and handwriting panel service in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable touch keyboard and handwriting panel service in your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open services. For that, you need to click on your search box. Then type here services. Then click on services. In this, you need to find touch keyboard. You can see here touch keyboard. Just double click on that. You can see here startup type. It is by default manual. You have to click and select as automatic. Click on start. Then click on apply. And tap on OK. Then close this window. After doing these settings, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, the touch keyboard and handwriting panel service will be enabled. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable touch keyboard and handwriting panel services in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.